How to voice search in YouTube Kids. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this feature. First of all, open the application. So now this interface will pop up. So basically we're in this home page. Here you can find different videos and different feeds according to your choice. Now in order to use voice search, here on the bottom you can see the search icon. Tap on the search icon and here on the top you can directly search for it or use voice search. Here on the right top, tap on this voice like icon and simply tap and talk. So this is the place where you can easily talk and search for the content that you are looking for. So after you do this, all the suggestions will pop up and you can easily view them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.